Hello and Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome to Varda's cooking channel. Today I am going to share with you a very unique recipe, mango salsa chicken steak. So mouth-watering and so tempting. Guys, I am sure you're going to enjoy this recipe. Basically, mango salsa has come as a gift to us from the Caribbean islands. People have started to appreciate the sweet, salty, tangy flavors of a well-balanced mango salsa. And today I am going to fuse this delicious gift from the Caribbean with our own chicken tikka steak recipe, and I'm sure you're going to love the hotness and sweetness combined together. This is the list of ingredients for chicken steak, mango salsa and mango barbecue sauce. You can check it out in the description below. The very first step is the cutting and marination of boneless chicken breasts. So here you can see I've got 3 chicken breasts. First determine the grain of your steak and then you cut across the grain and not parallel to the grain, just like you see me. Then I am going to cut it from the center. Very gently I am going to open it so that we make a little pocket in my chicken steak. So this is going to be filled with delicious mango salsa. The next steak you can again see that I am going to cut against the grain. This is the grain and I am going to cut against the grain. Be careful not to make too deep cuts so that we don't go through the steak. Now we are going to cut perpendicular to these slits. Let's open the steak up. In this manner I am going to prepare 3 chicken steaks, or you can say 3 chicken breasts. This will ensure that our chicken is well marinated and it turns out to be really juicy and delicious. Now I am going to use the Desi chicken tikka marination. So nothing special. 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, half a teaspoon turmeric, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder. And I have got 3 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, 3 tablespoons of yogurt and around 3 tablespoons of lemon juice. So first of all I am going to take everything in a big bowl and I am going to prepare the marinade. Salt, chili powder, turmeric powder, coriander powder, garam masala, black pepper, ginger garlic paste, yogurt and lemon juice. Now I am going to take each steak and gently apply the masala onto them, taking care that I don't break the steaks because I've made too much slits in them, so I have to be really careful. In this manner I am going to marinate all the steaks really well, apply 3 tablespoons of oil and gently rub on them. Then I am going to refrigerate the steaks for at least 1 hour, or you can also do it overnight. In the meantime, let's prepare our mango salsa. These are the ingredients that you'll require. So I have multicolored bell pepper, a bunch of cilantro, a green chili, lime juice, 3 tablespoons, so I am going to use 1 lime, and fully ripe but firm mangoes. You can take 1 or 2 depending on the size of the mango. Now I am going to finely chop bell peppers into small pieces. For the mango I am going to cut the sides and leave the seed apart. Then I am going to take each side and make vertical narrow cut lines using a utility knife. And then I am going to diagonally make some more slits so that I get some nice cubes. I'll split it into half so that it's easy to flatten them on the working space and nicely removing it. Skin left apart and beautifully chunks of mango in goes to the salsa bowl. So here I have taken another mango because I need 2 cups of mango cubes. So just like before, I am going to make some delicious mango chunks and place them in my bowl. The seed portion of these mangoes is going to be used for making the mango pulp of mango barbecue sauce. Now let's finely chop cilantro. And finely slice just 1 green chili for a kick of heat in our salsa. Squeeze 3 tablespoons of lime juice and then season with some sea salt and some crushed pepper. Let's mix everything together and our mango salsa is ready. We can put this in the refrigerator and take it out when we are doing the steaks. Here I am using a cast iron pan and some oil on my stove top, but you can also use the grill to grill your steaks. So I am going to put the steaks facing the slits portion downwards. This will initiate the grilling process of the steaks and I will get beautiful grilling marks on the fine cuts that I have made on the steaks. The first 2 minutes you cook on high flame and then you lower the heat, cover and cook for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, let's check out the steaks. I am going to gently move them around and here we see that there is some water, so I am going to let it cook till the water has reduced. Now it's time to flip them. Wow, look at that. They look so nice and perfectly done from the top. Now I am going to cover and cook on the lowest flame for 10 more minutes. Our delicious spicy chicken steaks are perfectly cooked through and are beautifully done. Now we just have to fill them up with our delicious homemade mango salsa. So what I am going to do is open them up, put 3 to 4 tablespoons of mango salsa or as much as I can put into them. Now I am going to cover these steaks for the last time and I am going to leave them on the lowest flame for just 5 minutes so that our salsa becomes somewhat softened. The mangoes release their juice and are fused together inside the chicken steak. I am going to prepare half a cup of mango pulp. I'll be using the leftover mango seeds for that. In goes all the mango pieces in my blender jug along with 1 green chili, and you can also use jalapeno and 3 garlic cloves, 2 tablespoons of water, and then I am going to blend it well. To prepare barbecue sauce, I am going to melt 2 teaspoons of butter in a small frying pan. Add a strand of rosemary for fragrance. Then I am going to add 1/4 teaspoon of cumin seeds and 1 teaspoon of red chili flakes. Keep the heat to medium and add the blended pulp which has mango, garlic and green chilies in it. Then I am going to season with some salt and black pepper powder. Let's mix this up. Add some water to make it a little liquidish. So I am adding just 3 tablespoons of hot water. Reduce the flame because our sauce is just ready. For the final touch, I am going to add 2 tablespoons of honey. You can also use light brown sugar or regular sugar, but honey will give a great glaze and shine to our steaks. For the final step, I'm going to pour this awesome mango barbecue sauce onto the mango salsa filled chicken steaks. Wow, this is so delicious. It smells so good. I wish you could taste this, guys. This is amazing. So delicious. I'm sure everyone has their favorite chicken steak and their favorite gravies and barbecue sauces, but I'm telling you, you have to try this for yourself. This is a perfect combination of the sweet tropical Caribbean fruits with our own heritage of spicy tikka masala. I'm telling you guys, go get your mangoes and make this chicken steak tonight for yourself and your family. I hope you enjoyed my video, viewers. Please go to my YouTube page, Warda's Cooking Channel, subscribe, press the bell icon. You can check me out on Facebook and Instagram. Please share, like and subscribe, and also forward to your friends. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Take care. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.